Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D modeling Onshape tutorial exercise number 5. Click sketch and choose the top plane. Move into the top view. Create circle from the origin point and set for diameter into 60 and create circle again with diameter 30. Create lines from this point. Move to the bottom with length 50. Move to the right, set 15. To the top, 10 point. Click at this line and click again to this point. Now use trim command to cut this arch. Click OK to apply. And to convert into 3D, use the extrude tools. Select at this face and set for dips 15. Click OK to apply. Now you can fillet these all objects. Okay, select all objects, use the fillet tools and set for reduce into 4. Click OK to set the fillet objects. You also can hide for this top, front and right plane. And that's it for basic Onshape 3D modeling tutorial for exercise number 5.